Welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching those type of videos, just please consider subscribing and tapping that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And today's video, I was asked by a lady in Instagram to swap a pocket letter. So I got mail and from Moscow, Russia, and I'm gonna show you the beautiful pocket letter that I received from Alana. I'm gonna flip my camera so you guys can see what I got. Okay, so I received a pocket letter from a new pen pal from Russia, and unbelievably it took like more than a month to get it in my hands. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and see what I got. Okay, she asked me if I wanted to do a pocket letter swap with her during Christmas, and I told her, you know what, yes I can, but I have other swaps. So I got these. Oh, she sent it for my birthday. How cute. Let's take a look. And this is, oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Look at these details. Oh, how cute. Oh, and it's in Russian. Happy birthday, Karina. It's funny, one of my cousin's daughters, she went to college, she got married last week, and guess what? She is fluent in Russian. Yeah. So I'm definitely going to ask her to translate this for me. I'm thinking this might be happy birthday, but it's just so gorgeous. And let's take a look at the pocket letter. So beautiful. Yeah, we agree on doing a Christmas, pink Christmas swap. And let's take a look at this pocket. So gorgeous. Nice. And the bells, Christmas tree. Oh, look at these, how gorgeous. I have seen her handle in Instagram, and she does a lot of mixed media, a lot of texturing, and I love her style. So I am going to leave her Instagram handle in the description box below so you guys can follow her. She's very talented for those who love mixed media and layering, and this is just so gorgeous. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So she did a lot of components here, and I cannot wait to see the goodies on the back. So let's start all over again. So the first compartment pocket is, she used some gorgeous washi tape and a cut apart, like in the shape of a Christmas ornament. And she's giving me these gorgeous iridescent snowflakes. How gorgeous. Let's take a look. Okay. Then the next pocket has a deer and some Russian words. I wish I could speak Russian. Definitely I'm going to have my cousin's daughter to translate things for me since she's fluent. And these are some like kind of like epoxy, that's how they call it, circles where I can like glue any painted or any image and then make it look like a 3D sticker, which is really nice. I don't have that. Thank you very much. And this other pocket, it's again another Christmas ornament, and look at this, how gorgeous. And she gave me all these dies. Oh my goodness, I am just so set. I love her layering. She just does cards, a lot of mixed media, and look at this, how beautiful. I don't have this die. Oh, look at this. To make your own poinsettias. Oh, and the love. Oh, how gorgeous. How beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Definitely have to take a picture of that. And then in this other pocket, it's the Christmas tree. Sorry about the glare. I'm filming at night. And here, I love the color combination and the washi and all the bling. And she gave me these gorgeous blush paper flowers and these stems. You know what? I don't have stems, so thank you very much. I normally have like paper flowers, but not these, you know, that smaller size, but I regularly have like medium size to large, but this is just perfect. And this one, I just love it. Thanks for swapping. Oh, I love it. Okay, here we go. Look at that. How gorgeous. Was this like an AliExpress die? No. Made for you. And her name is Alana Alikova. And she goes, her Instagram handle is stubborn_silver. So look at this. I'm gonna, probably should come closer. I know, I'm just, look at that. Alana Alikova, and Instagram account is stubborn_silver. I'm gonna leave the information in the description box below. And look at that, how gorgeous. And this is her letter that I'm going to read. And I am definitely going to zoom a little bit out this because I don't want everything to get blurry. And this other pocket, how gorgeous. Oh, washi tape samples. So cute, 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 cute. Oh. And then love, she gave me these. Oh, love coffee. She gave me this die, perfect because I have a swap that is coffee themed. So thank you. I'm definitely going to use this for my memory decks cards. And look at the, oh, she gave me oh, I'm so excited because I have few things about coffee because I'm not a coffee drinker, by the way. I'm a tea drinker, but definitely this is gonna help me for my swap. Thank you, Alana. And just love it, love it, love it. Oh, and there is a steps. Let's take a look at this other one. This is the poinsettia. And the poinsettia pocket. Oh, isn't this cute? We got some chipboard Christmas ornament. How cute. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Okay. And the last pocket, it's we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And oh, she gave me some jammies. Gorgeous. Oh, I love this pink. Oh, you know what? That's what we agree, you know, pink and girly things. And this is just so gorgeous. Thank you, Alana, for this gorgeous pocket letter. And that's so gorgeous. I definitely have to take a picture. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And I am going to leave Alana's Instagram handle in the description box below. Just go ahead and check her feed. And she's very talented. She's very into mixed media, a lot of layering, all kinds of things. And if you would like to subscribe, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.